Welcome back to Camping with Clarence. Where are we going?
Well, y'all, we are headed to Branford, Florida to spend the weekend on the Swanee. Do a little boating, summertime.
Clarence has a new home for the summer. We're going to leave him down here in Branford, Florida. It's about a half a mile from the boat ramp. And we're going to see how we like it. And there's one boat. And here's another. This one let us down. We'll tell about that in a story at the beginning of the video, or maybe later. Stay tuned.
As all of you are aware, in this current economy, with gas prices the way they are, I'm sure a lot of y'all aren't camping as much as we were. We're not camping a whole lot either. We're camping, but we have a reveal, I guess, for y'all. We've decided that we are going to keep the camper permanently located in Branford this summer. We found a lot.
Where's Branford, for those who don't know? Because I didn't know until we stumbled across.
Is about 26 miles other side of Live Oak, Florida, if any of y'all know where that is. But we're keeping the camper down there all summer, so we're headed down for Miss Clarence's birthday weekend.
Yes, whoop whoop.
To do some boating. Camping with Clarence is going to take a little bit of a turn this summer, y'all. We're going to be permanent, so we're going to be camping and boating, I guess you would say, with Clarence.
But we'll take you along for every trip. And in July, we'll actually be at Crystal River for a week. And so we'll take you on that adventure and any other adventures that we have coming up. But we'll be filming some more this weekend, so stay tuned.
See y'all soon.
What do you got?
You got shit. Motherfucker.
Hey, look up. Look up.
Oh, probably not a good idea.
This is what the Bimini top looks like now. We'll show you a little bit later what it looks like fixed. Sir, what are you doing?
Never been so aggravated in my life working on nothing.
That's a lie.
What?
I know some Christmas gifts that...
No, I wasn't even this aggravated.
What are we doing?
We're trying to install a Bimini top.
What has gone wrong?
Everything.
Operational error?
User error.
User error?
I'm sure.
It's going to be blue. And this is our boat. And we haven't named her yet. And there's our campsite for the summer.
All right, babe, I need you.
Look, baby, look. Look. At the fence in the back. See them?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, so cool. Hey, babe.
All right, baby, now.
Bye.
I got him. Yes. That is so neat. Look. We just found a random spring.